Hey everyone, welcome to Klumbox. Wealth isn't just about having money. It's about developing a mindset that attracts and sustains financial success. Many people dream of being wealthy, but few understand that the journey starts in the mind. Adopting the right mindset can set you on the path to financial abundance. Here are 8 essential mindset shifts that will inevitably make you wealthy. Close to the end of this video, we'll show you how you can begin incorporating these shifts into your daily life, so be sure to stick around for that. Mindset number 1. Embrace abundance, not scarcity. The first and most crucial shift is moving from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. People with a scarcity mindset believe that there's a limited amount of wealth, success, and resources in the world. This belief leads to fear, competition, and hoarding behavior. On the other hand, an abundance mindset is rooted in the belief that there's enough for everyone. It encourages collaboration, generosity, and creative thinking. When you believe that opportunities are limitless, you're more likely to seek them out and seize them. Mindset number 2. See failures as learning opportunities. Many people fear failure, seeing it as a reflection of their worth or abilities. However, wealthy individuals understand that failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, they view them as valuable learning experiences. Each failure is a lesson that brings you one step closer to your goals. By shifting your perspective on failure, you become more resilient and persistent, which are essential traits for accumulating wealth. Mindset number 3. Value your time over money. Time is the most valuable asset you have. While money can be earned, saved, invested, and spent, time once lost can never be regained. Wealthy individuals understand this and prioritize tasks that yield the highest returns on their time investment. This might mean delegating or outsourcing tasks that others can do for you. By focusing on high-impact activities and maximizing the value of your time, you create more opportunities for wealth. Mindset number 4. Invest in yourself. One of the most significant investments you can make is in yourself. This means continuously improving your skills, knowledge, and personal development. Wealthy people are lifelong learners who understand that the more they know and can do, the more value they can provide. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, books, or seminars, investing in yourself pays the highest dividends. The more you grow, the more opportunities you can create for yourself. Mindset number 5. Practice delayed gratification. The ability to delay gratification is a common trait among wealthy individuals. Instead of seeking immediate rewards, they are willing to wait for larger, more substantial gains. This mindset shift is crucial for saving and investing. Instead of spending money on fleeting pleasures, wealthy people save and invest for the future. This doesn't mean you should never enjoy your money, but it's about finding a balance and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term desires. Mindset number 6. Focus on creating value. Wealth is a result of providing value to others. The more value you create, the more wealth you can accumulate. This means focusing on how you can solve problems, meet needs, and improve lives. Instead of thinking about how to make money, think about how to serve others better. When you shift your focus from earning to serving, money becomes a natural byproduct of the value you provide. Mindset number 7. Network and build relationships. Your network is your net worth. Building strong, positive relationships with others can open doors to opportunities that you might not find on your own. Wealthy people understand the importance of networking and invest time in building and nurturing relationships. This doesn't mean using people for your gain, but genuinely connecting, helping, and supporting others. The more you expand your network, the more opportunities you'll have to grow and succeed. Mindset number 8. Stay positive and persistent. A positive mindset is crucial for wealth creation. Optimism fuels motivation, creativity, and resilience. It helps you see opportunities where others see obstacles. Along with positivity, persistence is key. The journey to wealth is often long and challenging, requiring consistent effort and perseverance. Wealthy people maintain a positive outlook and keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. By staying positive and persistent, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the wealth-building process. Adopting these mindset shifts isn't an overnight process. It requires conscious effort, practice, and patience. Start by assessing your current mindset and identifying areas for improvement. Here's how you can begin incorporating these shifts into your daily life. 1. Adopt an abundance mindset. Practice gratitude daily. Focus on what you have rather than what you lack. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who support your goals. 2. Learn from failures. Reflect on your past failures and identify the lessons learned. Celebrate your efforts and resilience rather than focusing solely on outcomes. 3. Prioritize your time. Make a list of your daily activities and categorize them based on their impact. Delegate or eliminate low-impact tasks to free up time for more valuable activities. 4. Invest in learning. Set aside time each day for learning. Read books, take online courses, or attend seminars that can enhance your skills and knowledge. 5. Practice delayed gratification. Set clear financial goals and create a budget that prioritizes saving and investing. Reward yourself occasionally, but stay focused on your long-term objectives. 6. Create value. Identify the needs and problems of those around you. Think of ways you can help solve these problems or meet these needs through your skills, products, or services. 7. Build relationships. Attend networking events, join professional organizations, and actively seek out opportunities to meet new people. Follow up and stay in touch with your contacts regularly. 8. Stay positive and persistent. Develop a routine that includes positive affirmations, visualization, and goal setting. When faced with challenges, remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. In summary, becoming wealthy is as much about mindset as it is about money. By shifting your mindset towards abundance, learning from failures, valuing your time, investing in yourself, practicing delayed gratification, focusing on creating value, building relationships, and maintaining positivity and persistence, you set the foundation for financial success. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to these mindset shifts, and over time, you'll find that wealth and success naturally follow. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Keep thriving with us, and see you next time.